Hello everyone, I am BitHunter. Today is January 27, 2024. Today I will introduce a new graphics card project called Bwork Token, abbreviated as Bwork B. This project is a graphics card mining project based on the base chain. Let's first visit the official website to check the introduction. The website address will also be placed in the comment section below the video. The project will launch on February 5, 2025, Greenwich Mean Time, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is midnight Beijing time on February 6, 2025, and 12 noon Eastern Standard Time on February 5, 2025, the mainnet mining will officially go live. So, it is recommended that those interested in participating in the Bwork project prepare in advance. This project has some innovation, using a new algorithm for mining with graphics cards, similar to a project from the first half of last year. Created the myth of earning $1,000 a day with a single card, so it is recommended that family members with graphics cards participate. The official website also shows the project's contract address and token address. Next, I will teach everyone step by step how to participate in the mining of this project. Before mining, you first need to prepare a wallet on the base chain. It is recommended to use the Little Fox wallet or the OKX wallet. If you are using the MetaMask Little Fox wallet, you need to add the base chain information in the network settings and switch the network to the base chain. If you are using the OKX wallet, just keep the default full network. The next step is to add the Bwork token contract to the wallet. We go to the official website to copy the contract address. Next, in the MetaMask wallet, click Add Token, then select Custom Token, and paste the token's contract address into the search box to view the Bwork token information. Finally, click Add to add the Bwork token to your wallet. Since mining hasn't started yet, the balance is 0. If mining starts, here, the quantity of Bwork tokens will be displayed. If you are using the OKX wallet, you can select Manage Tokens, then click on Custom Tokens and choose the base chain. Then enter the contract address, and you can see the Bwork token information. Click Confirm to import Bwork B into the wallet. After completing the preliminary preparations, we can start mining. Currently, Bwork B can be mined independently on Windows and Ubuntu platforms. As always, BitHunter has prepared a one-click mining script for Bwork B. If you need it, feel free to join the official BitHunter Telegram group. You just need to send the lowercase word Bwork in the group. The group bot will automatically reply to you with Bwork B mining scripts for each platform. Additionally, you can find the mining scripts for each platform on the project's GitHub repository. Official GitHub link. Before mining, you need to prepare your mining wallet address and private key for base chain signing. If you are using the Little Fox wallet, you can click the three-dot icon in the top right of the current account. Click Account Details in the pop-up menu, and then click the Show Private Key button and enter your wallet password. Next, press and hold the blue button with the left mouse button to view the wallet's private key. Save the wallet's private key and address for future mining. If you are using the OKX wallet, select the current account in the upper left corner of the wallet, then click the Edit Wallet button. Similarly, click the three-dot button on the right and select View Private Key, then enter the wallet password. You will enter the wallet private key interface. OKX does much better in wallet private key management compared to MetaMask. You can choose the secure copy here. It will leave the last 6 characters for you to remember yourself. This way, even if there is malware monitoring your clipboard, it cannot obtain your complete private key, ensuring your wallet's security to a certain extent. Of course, since this Bwork mining requires you to provide a wallet private key, you must not use a wallet with large assets to participate. Otherwise, your wallet assets are easily stolen. Be sure to use an empty wallet and then transfer a small amount, roughly equivalent to the value of 1 USD Tether or 2 USD Tether of base chain ETH to the mining wallet as gas fees. If you don't have it yet, don't worry too much. Currently, the project team has provided a benefit. The first 500 participating miners will receive base chain ETH with 1 USD Tether as gas fees, free of charge. As for how to participate in this gas fee giveaway event, I will share it with everyone later in the tutorial. Be sure not to miss it. Prepare your wallet address and private key. Let's first take a look at how to mine Bwork coins on the Windows platform. You need to prepare a Windows computer with an NVIDIA graphics card, then open the mining script prepared by BitHunter. You only need to edit the configuration file, named Bwork Token, and replace the English your underscore address with your wallet address. Replace the English your underscore private underscore t with your wallet's private key, and then save the configuration. Double-click the mining script to start mining Bwork B. If your system hasn't installed the latest Microsoft .NET framework, the script will prompt you to download the latest .NET framework. We copy the download link and paste it into a web browser, then download the latest .NET framework. After downloading, proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, rerun the script to stop mining. After introducing the Windows platform, let me demonstrate how to execute mining on the Open2 platform. Similarly, you need to prepare a computer with an NVIDIA graphics card for Open2. Then modify the configuration file, named Bwork Token, in the Open2 mining script, replacing the English URL underscore address with your wallet address and replacing the English URL underscore private underscore key with your wallet private key. Then save the configuration, upload the script to the Open2 computer, and execute the Bwork Token.shp processing file in the Open2 command line to start mining. Since this mining project is based on an EVM smart contract, you need to prepare ETH as gas fees. If you want to receive the official free giveaway of BaseChain ETH valued in EUSDT, you can take a screenshot of your mining interface and then go to the official Discord group. I will also place the group link in the comments below the video. Then, find the Airdrop channel and paste the mining interface there, and send your mining wallet address. The official team will send the gifted BaseChain ETH, valued in EUSDT, to your mining wallet address by February 5th, so you won't need to prepare additional BaseChain ETH as gas fees. Of course, if you are late and exceed the 500 recipients, it doesn't matter. You can transfer BaseChain ETH valued in EUSDT from the exchange to your mining wallet. Make sure it is the BaseChain, as other chains are not permissible. I recommend using the Gideo Shima Gaiman exchange because the withdrawal fees are relatively low. I will also put the registration link in the comments section below the video. Accounts registered with this link will enjoy a 10% rebate benefit. Alright, that's the end of today's Bwork coin mining tutorial. I wish everyone success in their New Year's first mining attempt. You're also welcome to join the BitHunter VIP membership group. BitHunter will lead members to grab the first batch of Bwork coins and help them quickly claim the officially gifted BaseChain ETH for block rewards as a transaction fee. Thank you all for your support.